Hey guys, welcome back to the Barndo Channel. I'm Charlie Downs with 1845 Barndominiums. We're here in Hallsville, Texas today to give you a look at one of our Laredo floor plans. If you go look online, you can see what the Laredo floor plan looks like. We're going to talk about a custom build here, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, around 1,600, 1,700 square foot. We're going to take you for a walk around and show you the finish out and what we have to offer here at 1845 Barndominiums. All right, guys. We're going to make our way over into the living room here and talk to you about some of the finish outs, and then there's one of the questions that I want to cover that a lot of customers have asked me. So the first thing you're going to see as we go through the house, there's a lot of standard finish outs here in this house, and again, this is a Laredo floor plan, one that you can find on our website, 1845barndominiums.com. We've modified this plan a little bit, we've flipped a little bit, and we've done some things just like we always do to fit or suit our customers and what they need. As we go through here, you'll see, like we talked about, some standard finishes. We've got standard window trim here. We've got our trim out baseboard on the bottom here with our drywall texture. We've got a knockdown texture throughout the house here and these windows. You'll see 1x4 trim around the doors, 1x6 around the floors, which again is really kind of a standard trim out for us, and this is what the customer chose for the interior of their home. Now, one of the things while we're here in the living room that I really wanted to talk about was this mechanical closet that we've got right here behind us. A lot of customers ask me, well, if I have to put that mechanical room anywhere near the living room, it's going to be too loud. I'm not going to be able to hear the TV. We're not going to be able to visit with people that come over, and that is just absolutely not true. Before we got started today, I asked the homeowner, so since you've been living here, have you had any problems with your HVAC unit or your air conditioner being too loud or noisy? And to be honest with you, she had to think for a second and said, you know what, I've never even noticed it. I've never even heard it. It's so quiet when we're in there that it's never a distraction or never a problem. So if that's a question that you have, I know I've had customers ask me before, these things are variable speed units. They're constantly running at a very low pace just to circulate air in and out with the spray foam that we use, and they're not a problem at all in the living area. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to pan around here and we're going to make our way over into the kitchen area. Absolutely beautiful kitchen. We have an open living area here for you guys to see. It's about 20 foot wide. I believe the dimensions of this house are about 53 by 32. We've got a big vaulted ceiling here in the living room that really opens up this center area of the home. We're going to make our way over to the kitchen and show you the finish outs over there. All right, guys, as we step over here into the kitchen area, there's a couple of the finish outs that we want to talk about, some of the custom items that this particular customer chose for their home. You can see behind me here, we have a laundry and mud room. We're going to get to that area a little bit later in the video and talk about how they set up their washer and dryer. We have some built-in cubbies that they wanted custom built inside that mud room over there. But you can see here, the kitchen in here is absolutely beautiful. This particular homeowner did a wonderful job of using different colors. Their countertops here, which are all granite, do match and flow really well. We've got white cabinets on the sink side over here, and then if you look at the island that we've got here, we've got black cabinets, and it just really flows really well. They've really created a unique setup here in the kitchen. When you walk in that front door, you can see this 11.5 foot island that we've got here with granite countertops, and it's absolutely beautiful. Really becomes kind of the focal point of the entire living space here in the middle of the home. We've got space for them to have 6 bar stools, so if they had to host or if they had family over or anything like that. We just finished the Super Bowl, so if they have a Super Bowl party, they've got lots of room here to host family and friends. But like we said before, we've got granite countertops here. Those are custom chosen by the homeowner. You can see the pendant lights that we have hanging here. And again, guys, we talk about this a lot in our videos. Those are the allowance items that we want our homeowners to be able to customize their house. We don't want, I'm not going to go in and pick lights for you or your countertops. We make suggestions and things that we think might fit or work really well, but in the end, those homeowners are going to get to choose the exact colors and style that they want. We've got a tile backsplash here. That's one of the things also that we add in there. We want you to be able to pick that backsplash. We don't say, well, you've got this granite, you've got to get a certain type of backsplash there. We give you an allowance amount and tell you, hey, you get what you want. You make that home your own. We've got our 12-inch window sills here with standard trim, shaker style doors on the cabinets. And again, those are all custom cabinets that the homeowner has gone in and selected what style door, the pulls and knobs and things that they have in here. They have chosen all of those items. Now, the next thing we're going to do, I'm going to walk over here a little bit and we're going to show you what they're doing for pantry space in here. You can see there's not just a ton of vacant space in here, and so they've really utilized the area in here really well. We're going to show you their pantry area. All right, so as we make our way down to the far end of the island down here, you can see a couple of things. We've got our outside access to the back porch, which we'll show you that back porch a little bit later as well. And then we've got some pantry space right here, some built-in cabinets that the homeowner asked to have just to utilize pantry space. You can see that we've got the same shaker style doors. We've got soft closed doors and drawers in here. We've got a lot of cabinet space inside of here, and I love the soft closed doors and drawers. Just like I said on our last video, no matter how mad your kids get or you get, you can't slam those cabinet doors, and that's kind of a plus. Now, something really unique and a really awesome feature and really aesthetically pleasing is the barn door that we have right here. And behind that barn door, you're going to be able to see that we've got additional pantry space built in here for our homeowner. Now, this is what I wouldn't call this a walk-in pantry. I'd call it more of a step-in pantry. We've got automated lights in there that when you close the door, everything will go off, and it's motion centered. When you open that barn door, the lights will come on for you automatically. And so it's just it really blends well with the black and white that we have in here. We've got a farm door to match it on the mechanical closet in the living room. So this is just really aesthetically pleasing. It's a really cool feature that they've added into their home, and it blends really good here in the kitchen. Now, like we said, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. We're going to take you now, we're going to show you bedrooms 2 and 3 with their Jack and Jill bathroom, and then we'll make our way over to the master wing and continue to take a look at this Laredo floor plan. All right, guys, we've moved over here into bedroom number 2. On this side, again, it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, so we're going to show you one of the bedrooms on the other side. These 2 rooms over here are identical. They're the same size. They're both 12 by 11 rooms, and you'll be able to see here in just a second, we're going to show you the closet space that they have in here. And just to touch on the closet space, to remind you that those are custom built, custom fit for whatever the homeowner needs. We come in prepared to put upper hanging rods, lower hanging rods with shelving on both of those. Also, we can do custom built-ins with cabinetry. We can do shoe racks. We can do all kinds of things inside those closets. And you'll see, we're going to show you a picture or video of the inside of these closets and how they've decided and how they've custom fit them to what they want. Now, inside this room, we've got a lot of customizations / standard finishes. Again, we say customizations because the customer's going to get to pick everything in here. They've continued in here with the 1x4 trim around the doors. They've got them miter cut at an angle, and then they've got the 1x6 on the floor here. Now, one thing that this homeowner has chosen to do is, as you've seen in the other videos, we've got vinyl plank flooring throughout most of the house, but as we move in here to the bedrooms, you can see they've chosen to go ahead and finish those out with carpet on the floors. And again, that's totally chosen by the homeowner. That's whatever they want to do. It's different from home to home. We as a company do not care what you do in your home. We just want to make sure it's custom fit to what you need. And one of the really nice features in here in both of the bedrooms is this big twin or double window that we have here. This is a 3050 or a 5-foot window. It's got this big 12-inch window seal here, and it really adds a lot of natural light and really opens up this room. And like I said, bedrooms 2 and 3 are almost identical to each other. They're 12 by 11 with a lot of nice finishes inside. All right, guys, so with this being a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, one of the things they've done over here on this side of the house is they've turned this into kind of a Jack and Jill. Now, we consider a true Jack and Jill is you would basically wall this off so there's no outside access, and the access into this bathroom would be from the 2 bedrooms. But this is the only other bathroom in this particular house, so we want our guests to be able to utilize this space. Now, when we come in here, you're going to see that we've got granite countertops to match the kitchen, and we're going to see that throughout the house. Also, you can see that we've got a tile bathtub and shower combo in there. We've got a drop-in tub that the customer has chosen, surrounded with tile. And then one of the cool things that they've done here, just for some privacy, is they've added an additional pocket door here so that if there is someone taking a shower or anything else, I can come in here and still wash my hands and, you know, brush my teeth, fix my hair, whatever I need to do, and there's still some privacy involved in there. So just a really unique feature. You'll see lots of plug-ins in here. We've gone back to the vinyl plank floor in this portion of the house, and you'll see as we go through here, you're going to see the standard trim out here. We've got some cabinetry with shaker doors. We've got the 1x4, 1x6 on the floor, just those standard trims that we've talked about in other portions of the video. All right, guys, so we're making our way over to the master side of the house. Again, a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom layout. We've got a master on one side, the other 2 bedrooms and bathroom on the other side. So we're in the master bedroom right now, and you'll see, we're going to show you a pan of the room. You're going to see it's got beautiful tray ceilings up top. We've got 2 5-foot windows with our window seals and our standard window trim there. They've just Absolutely beautiful. A lot of decor in here. They've really made it their own. You'll see a lot of electrical plugs, our 1x4 trim here, 1x6 on the floors there. And again, you're going to see that we've got carpet on the floor. So that's something that the customer chose for each of the bedrooms. They wanted carpet in the rooms. And then as we make our way over here in the bathroom, just a second, you'll see that it flows right back into the vinyl plank. So we're going to make our way into the master bathroom. I think you're really going to like the way they set this up and the way they designed this. It's a really cool setup. All right, so now we've made our way into the master bathroom. Now this is a really, really unique setup. I absolutely love this bathroom. The main focal point you can see here to my left and behind me here is this freestanding tub with a tile accent wall back here. You can see our plumbing. We've went ahead and mounted everything in the wall. We've got a left drain on this tub. It's an absolutely beautiful tub, hand-picked by the owner. You'll see as we pan around the room here, we've got his and hers closet. Obviously hers is maybe a little bit bigger than his. We've got an all-white cultured marble shower with a rain head, shower head in there. We've got double vanities over here with our granite countertops to match, just like we've done throughout the house. So this gives you a great idea of how we customize your home to fit what you want. So in our original Laredo floor plan, the bathroom is not set up this way. This is something that the homeowner has come in and customized and put in there for what suits them and what meets their needs. All right, guys, so the last room we're going to talk about here is the laundry / mud room here that the homeowner designed specifically to suit what they wanted. So this is their outside exit to the side here. Eventually we're going to add a carport onto the side of this house. And so their entryway here that flows into the living and kitchen area, we put some cubbies there. These are kind of a catch-all area where they can put their boots, they can put hang-ups, they can put backpacks, things like that. And then we've also got their washer and dryer and a little bit of additional storage. We kind of custom built this in case they wanted to put a fridge or freezer or anything in the corner, but they've got extra storage with cabinetry here. And it's just a really nice room that, again, the homeowner gets to custom design this room. This is not a cookie cutter room that goes in all of our houses. This is specifically designed for their home. So that's going to wrap us up today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Be sure and subscribe to our channel so you can see our future videos. And then if you have any comments or questions or anything that you'd like to see in a future video, leave that in the comment section below. Check us out on Facebook, TikTok. We're on Instagram as well. But be sure and stop by our website, 1845barndominiums.com. You can see about 15 to 20 floor plans that we have. And then if you want to request a quote or get some information about possibly starting the building process, you can see a tab there that you can click and send us some information, and then we will reach out to you as soon as possible. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. See you again next week.